Well, I just got pulled over for excessive shine and recklessly boosting my car. I was not recklessly boosting my car, but what I was doing was graphene boosting my car. Now, the Graphene Boost is a maintenance or a topper for a graphene ceramic coated vehicle or a regular ceramic coated vehicle. What it does is, as it implies, the boost, it boosts the hydrophobic or the beading effect of your ceramic coating. It's a maintenance product, so this is a way to reinforce the graphene or ceramic protection for a longer period of time. And what it also does is it continues to make cleaning your car much easier, reducing the chance for scratching and things like that. You're probably like, hey, Adams Polishes, you already have maintenance products for graphene ceramic coatings or regular ceramic coatings. Now, why would you release a boost, or why do you even have the boost? Well, the boost is essentially 10 times the concentration level of graphene detail spray. So graphene detail spray has been a great maintenance product for us for a graphene ceramic coated vehicle, but it just didn't have that extra oomph that the boost has. Now, one of the biggest differences you're gonna see between the graphene detail spray and the graphene boost is your ability to use these products in different environments or different settings. So with the graphene detail spray, for the most part, you can use it in the direct sunlight, you can use it in warmer weather. This is something you can pull out at a car show and really add shine, but get the protection you want with the graphene. Now with the graphene boost, this is something that you want a little bit more controlled environment, okay? Because the protection is so concentrated, and again, gonna boost your ceramic coating, you wanna use this out of the direct sunlight, and you wanna use this after the car is clean to really boost the surface of your graphene ceramic coating, or again, your regular ceramic coating. Now, the other product you're probably gonna ask about is the Graphene Cs3. Now, what's the difference between Graphene Cs3 and Graphene Boost? Well, the Graphene Cs3 is more of it is a maintenance product, but it's something that you can use like a waterless wash. It has lubricant agents in it, so when your car is dusty or mildly dirty, you can use Graphene Cs3 to waterless wash, but also you're adding the graphene protection all at the same time. Whereas again, the boost is there to, after your car is clean, everything's good to go, you boost the hydrophobics or the beading effect with the graphene boost, maintaining your graphene ceramic coating for a longer period of time. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't have a graphene ceramic coating on your car or a regular ceramic coating on your car, and you are never going to put that on your car, you can absolutely use the Graphene Boost as a standalone protection agent. Now, because this is infused with the Reduced Graphene Oxide, it has a stronger backbone for the protection. So what that means is the Graphene Boost is going to outlast a traditional ceramic boost. Okay, so how do you use Graphene Boost? Well, it's pretty simple. It's a spray and wipe product, but you want to use this on a clean car. So whether you are washing your car with car shampoo or graphene shampoo, or you are doing a waterless wash, get your car clean before you use this product. So like this car was cleaned, it's brought inside, and what I want to do is boost the graphene ceramic coating on this car. So you spray it on, less is more. So I just sprayed one spray right here, and you wipe it down with a plush microfiber, and I'm using a borderless gray towel, okay? Now, this product is not very friendly in direct sunlight or in hot temperatures. What happens is the water in the water-based formula evaporates really fast, and the protection agent stays behind. And when you go to try to wipe it, it's kind of sticky, it's streaky, and sort of a mess, I'll be honest. Now, I actually put a section here that I sprayed on here, and I've let it dry. So what I wanted to show you is, as I try to wipe this with the towel, you'll see it's very hard to remove, and it's just a streaky mess. So how do we fix that? How do we deal with that? Well, take the Graphene Boost that you've been using, give it one little spritz, and wipe it away. Nice, long, fast wipes. And what it does is actually rehydrates the dried boost on the surface, and it wipes away perfect. Okay, another application tip for Graphene Boost is if you can't avoid hot weather or the surface being hot on your car, you can use a two-towel method. So what you do is you spray the Graphene Boost on, wipe it with a borderless gray, then you take a second borderless gray and wipe over the top of that. Because the product can be streaky with the first towel, the second one buffs it away and just finishes it perfect. Once you use this product, you're gonna love the benefits and the boosted hydrophobics that you're gonna get on your car. Now, for legal reasons, Adams Polishes is not liable for a recklessly boosted or an excessively shiny vehicle. Thanks for watching.